Om Namah Shivaya. Om Amriteshvaya Namah. Today I again, Sanchita Banerjee from class 8B, is going to tell the topic a square minus b square. So let's start it. First I will tell what is identities. Identities means algebraic identities are the things which always tell what is true for every value of variables in them. Now I will tell what is the topic a square minus b square. You can see it is my board and this chalk, and this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. And now how it is coming a square minus b square, the formula I will tell. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So how means what is the proof that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square? So the proof is here. A plus b into a minus b, the multiplication goes, how the multiplication we will do? A into a. First a into means a square, and then the second step is a into plus b, means a positive a into positive b. So it is plus ab, positive ab. And then the second step is, next line, minus b into a. Minus b means minus b into positive a, it comes minus ab. And then minus b into plus a, minus b into plus b. Okay, minus b into plus b, it comes minus b square. Minus b square, then plus ab minus ab, it cuts. And then the come is a square is coming here, and then minus b square. So it is coming a square minus b square by the following a plus b into a minus b. Now I will show you two sums of a square minus b square. See it, first number 25x square. 25x square minus 16y square. It means a square minus b square. You can see 25x square minus 16y square, it comes a square minus b square. So what is the rule? Rule is a plus b into a minus b. So first 25 goes to square means half, you all know. 5 25. So 5x whole square. 5x whole square minus 16, 4 16, half 4. So 4y minus is here, minus 4y whole square, because 4 16, 16y square, and 5 25x square, and this is has came. And so 5x square minus 4y square is comes to 5x plus 4y into 5x minus 4y. So a plus b into a minus b, it has came. So next sum is to number 49ab square. 49ab square into the 49ab square, and then 64ac square. 64ac square, and then so what is coming? ab square and ac square. In this we can take a common, right? We can take a b ac in that a common. So we have taken one a common in outside the bracket, and then put first bracket is 49. After taking out the a, what is left here? 49b square, because a has gone here. So 49b square minus, and here say after taking out the a, what is left? 64c square. So 64c square is written. So we have closed the bracket, and now equal to a, then second bracket, then first bracket. What is the half of 49 means square? If you will do, then 7 49. So 7 49b 7b whole square. 7 49 49b square. So 7b whole square, and here 8 64. So square is 8c square, and then first bracket is closed, then second bracket is also closed, and then again we have taken a common. a common, so means a common is already there, so we have put here a the common here we have written here, and then 7b plus 8c, again 7b minus 8c. What is coming then? A is gone outside, and then a plus b into a minus b. So the rule is coming that a plus b into a minus b. So what is the rule here? Rule is a square minus b square. It is coming by this method. So a plus b into a minus b is coming from this method. This method is a square minus b square. So we have first topic was only there a square minus b square, and my topic was only a square minus b square, and I think you all have understood by this the maths, how it has came a square minus b square. I have shown you what is the rule, a plus b into a minus b, and shown you two different sums. First this one 25 square minus 61, that was also coming 5x plus 4y, 5x minus 4y means that is a plus b into a minus b, and the next sum is also coming 49 ab square minus 64 ac square. That sum also coming a home outside is there 7b plus 8c and 7b minus 8c. So a plus b into a minus b, it has also came a square minus b square. So I hope that you all can understand. So thank you. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Amriteshwaya Namah. Have a nice day.